I1046 Cub Cadet won't start.
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
Battery not dead. Sounds like the starter spins but it isn't grabbing the flywheel, or something just spins really fast, doesn't turn over.
Okay, got it. Last thing, technicians generally expect a deposit of about $18 to help with your type of question. You only pay if satisfied. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
Are you going to finish helping me?
What is battery voltage? Has battery been checked or charged? Which engine do you have? Has battery been out of the tractor? Could the battery terminals be installed wrong? Plus needs to be the red cable. _ black cable.
Battery is fine. I use jumper cables and hooked up to a vehicle.
When did engine last run?
There was a grinding noise when I first tried to start it, then it just spinned.
Briggs engine or Kohler? Solenoid on starter or separate?
Kohler. Solenoid on the starter, I believe.
Guessing at your long model number, I think you have a broken starter gear, and is not engaging the flywheel. See link showing starter, see if you can get a look at the gear, it should be exposed. https://www.partstree.com/parts/cubcadet/mowers 0turn lawn mower/I1046 17 off 9 bkh 709 17 off 9 bkh 710 17 off 9 bkh 756 17 rf 9 bkh 756 Cub Cadet 0 turn tractor 2007 before/starter motor/ Hash is the gear that has to move up and engage the flywheel.
Okay, I'll run out and look really quick.
Okay. http://www.deebelectrical.com/p6790 starter Cub Cadet Kohler Courage Twin 3209801.ask Call 8=130002400000465 in Cagspan equals PLA and GCLIT equals C.O. 2 Bisr CSCF Ufflfad Sync NIA.
The gear on the starter goes up and spins, but it doesn't catch anything, and it falls back down quickly.
It has to go up and engage the flywheel. Either starter is bad, or the flywheel gear is stripped. Gear should stay up as long as key is turned to start.
The gear spins, it goes up, but then it doesn't catch anything and it drops down immediately.
Spring pushes it down as soon as key is released. Does the starter gear have good teeth?
The gear goes up, then comes back down while the key is still being turned. The starter gear teeth look perfect.
Can you use screwdriver and pry up on the gear, to see if it has any tension when pushed up? Key off.
Will do.
Okay.
It has tension when pushed up, with the key off. It slaps right back down after I pull the screwdriver out.
The starter motor keeps turning, but the gear does not stay up. And battery is good, I would go with a new starter. Did you see the link I sent showing starter? Just one that can be bought. This one, or Amazon, or eBay are best prices.
Okay, great. How much is this advice going to cost me? LOL. It's just $18, right?
I'm not sure. I work from home, site sets the price, but looks to be $18. Just accept to close.
Hey, let me throw a curve ball at you. I just saw that there are missing teeth on the flywheel. Why would it be so difficult for the engine to turn over that it sheared the teeth on the flywheel?
See if you can turn engine by hand 360 degrees, if not remove spark plugs and try again, you may have fluid on top of a piston.
Okay. I just turned it some by hand without taking out the spark plug.
So you need a new flywheel ring gear. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.